Hey, it's Ryan with S&B, and today we're in our SEMA booth, and we've got our new cold side intercooler pipe in the booth here. And biggest thing with all these Ford 11 and up power stroke trucks is if your cold side pipe hasn't ruptured yet, well, it will soon. So don't get stuck on the side of the road. We have a super heavy duty 5-ply aramid wrap silicone hose. It's great for high temperature. Will never break down. We have a lifetime warranty on it as well. We went with a 2-piece design to make it super easy to install in the truck. You slap the silicone in first and then snap the aluminum piece on after, and it's just really installs seamlessly. Probably a 30-45 minute install. Provisions for the factory IAT sensor, no tune required, fully emissions compliant. All of our CARB certifications are coming pretty soon. We're in testing for that right now, or our CARB executive orders. $299 on this one, and fits all of the 11 to 16 power strokes with one part number, and then 17 and up on another. So super simple install, solves the problem that every Ford truck on the road now has. So thank you.